welcome to my channel. And for those who are already subscribed, hey Barbs, what's going on? So today I'm going to be installing this Vella Vella wig, and as you can see, it is a whole lace wig. It is synthetic and human blend. Now you get your 13 by 5, I believe, parting space. The lace is Swiss brown. The cap is very stretchable. The cap was made very well. It's got little holes in it, and it's a breathable cap. You do not have to wear a wig cap with it. Yeah, you got the lace in the back and the 2 combs, which I always cut off. This wig, her name is Tish, and I got her in a jet black. Now, I got this wig at my local beauty supply store, and it was about $89 because it is a human blend. But to be honest, I don't even think it's that much human hair in the wig. So yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning off my hairline with my alcohol and pressing back my hair to start applying my glue, and I'm going to be using Kids Almighty Glue. Now I am in a different area in my house. I am going through some renovations at my home, so you will see me in different locations. Later on I will be in my living room, and enjoy the video. I'm not going to be doing too much of a voiceover, so sit back, relax, and watch the video, and I will talk to you guys later. Now I didn't have a mirror at this point, so I'm doing everything in my phone. I'm literally like looking in my phone. So I was struggling a little bit, only because I didn't have my mirror, but I was like, forget this, and it was right there, right in front of me. I think it was like at the bottom, like by my legs or something, by my feet. I had to get the mirror because I couldn't see. So, okay, I'm going to be cutting off some of the hair because it does not match my hairline. So I'm going to be cutting off just a little bit of that hair because it does not like my real hair, so I didn't want to part the middle too perfectly. You know, we part our real hair is not perfect. And my baby hair was not exactly perfect, so I just wanted to switch it up. And it did not stay. Maybe because what I was using, I was using some high air, I think that's how you pronounce it, edge control, and it wouldn't lock it in, it wouldn't stick. So, yeah. And I think I do baby hair so much better off camera, because when I'm like at home doing my hair off camera, I do them so long, you guys. And then when it's like when I'm on camera or filming or whatever, I don't know, maybe because I get nervous or what, I don't know. I just do not do baby hairs good on camera. I don't know why. I think because I know I'm filming. I don't know. It's probably all a mental thing. But that's my W in the background. But yeah, baby hairs. I don't know. I just kept going over it because it wasn't sticking. It kept lifting. And I threw that meal out or my out or whatever. So I'm just gonna go over it with this Gorilla Glue. The yellow bottle is bomb. I'm gonna start buying the yellow bottle because my purple bottle, the Gorilla Glue, I think it gives it flake. Like it makes it flaky. But this right here, yeah, the business. Hot, and I must say my head, because I shaved my head bald, it has not got hot and sweaty or whatnot. And spray it down with my pink lusters, you know, holding spray. And yeah, this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and like and turn on your bells, you know, so you'll know when I post a video. And I will see you guys on the next one. And why not follow me on Instagram? I'm Barbie Boutique 818. Love you guys. Stay safe and be blessed. See you in the next one.